Hi, so somebody's just commented and asked for us to walk the length of the courtyard, so I'll just do that now. Got my mask on upside down, haven't I? Rainbows are up the wrong way. Okay, so the ice cream van's here as well now. So this is the back of the extension. So just to sort of put this into perspective, how large it is. And the courtyard comes all the way. So it's not really, I wouldn't really call it a courtyard, it's bigger than that. Comes all the way around here as well. It's quite big, isn't it, your garden? You love your garden? Aww. So, stones in your garden, and then you've got this up a bit as well. Nanny did the slide. What a lovely nanny you've got. And then there's all this bit up here as well, and there's the raised bit at the back. So, yeah, it is a lovely, spacious garden with various different seating areas and areas for playing in as well. So I can count them in the slabs. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Be careful on this. What, to not touch the lines?
All okay?
Yep.